I think many of you are like me and my family. We're looking to introduce really healthy alternatives for desserts and for snacking, and this is definitely one of them. California walnuts and California raisins cacao bar.
Hello, my name is Mardel Frederic. I am executive chef from US Ambassador Residence in Tokyo, and I'm working for 13 years in the residence. This kind of dessert, the cocoa bar, is for eating anytime you want, and also it's not so complicated. You have an easy ingredient for everybody can do in home. Let's go to prepare the dessert. We have oatmeal, salt, walnuts from California, raisin, and cocoa powder. Now we have all ingredients. We have some raisin from California. We put on a food processor. We put. I will put a little bit water because the raisin is dry. We have the walnuts from California too. We put together. We're starting a little bit to mix together. Okay. After that, we put the oatmeal, the cocoa powder, of course, salt. We mix together. Put a little bit more water, a little bit for make more liquid. About 40 cc of water. Okay. Mixing well. Alright, coming good. Okay, let's go check. Yes. After mixing everything, we take out the bread, of course. Right, and we take some this kind of plate with parchment paper for not attaching, because when it's coming cold after, if you put directly on the plate, it's attaching on the plate. That's why we put the parchment paper on the bottom. Okay. Now we put the preparation on the plate. Okay, and we push until about 1 centimeter. We can push with the hand also if you want. Me, I take spatula, but if you want by hand, it's much easy. Okay, I put a bit. Right. Now it's done. In the fridge. Okay. Right. So now we put in the fridge and we keep like that for 1 hour. Okay, now 1 hour is passing. We take out the dessert and let's go to cut. The parchment paper, what we have on the bottom, is easy for pick up the bar. See, you can pick up the bar like that. Yosh. Okay, and you can cut some curb like that. The bar. Okay. If you want, you can additional with raspberry sauce, strawberry. You can put raspberry, strawberry, anything you want. Me, I put a little bit raspberry sauce. Okay. After you take the bar, you can crush and a little bit mint if you have a mint. Okay, when the mint and chocolate is good for taste, and also it look like energy bar a little bit for the sport. People make a sport also. You can eat like that because you have walnuts and you have a raisin, everything like that, and also the cocoa. But you can also eat for afternoon tea, for dinner or lunch, anytime you want. Okay, I hope you enjoy the dessert today.
Now I'd like to present this really lovely dish. This is a California walnuts and California raisins cacao bar. I think many of you are like me and my family. We're looking to introduce really healthy alternatives for desserts and for snacking, and this is definitely one of them. California walnuts are packed full of vitamins and minerals and fiber and omega-3. It's one of the healthiest nuts that you can find, and you add that with California raisins, which is also very healthy with fiber and iron and potassium, and you've really got a wonderful healthy dish. This is a no-cook bar, so this is just something that can be put together inside of the kitchen. Doesn't require using the stove or the oven. It can be put together very quickly, and it's absolutely delicious and really healthy for the family. Let's give it a try. It really is a lovely combination between the cacao, the walnuts, and the raisins mixed together, and you've got a really wonderful dessert or a snack. And again, easy to make, full of vitamins, nutritious. You and your kids will love it if you try to make this at home. Give it a try. I recommend it.
California walnuts。毎日のヨーグルトやサラダにくるみをトッピング。クリーミーな風味、優しい食感。カリフォルニアの豊かな土壌と太陽の下、生産者が愛情を注ぎます。くるみはオメガ3が豊富。くるみで始めよう、プラントベースな毎日。気になるオメガ3 California walnuts。